Every day, we trust our skin to the products we use in the shower. But have you ever stopped to ask, what's really in your soap? Most commercial soaps are packed with harsh detergents, synthetic fragrances, and preservatives that strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry, irritated, and inflamed. At Back to Naturalness, we believe in going back to the basics, to ingredients you can recognize, pronounce, and trust. Our handmade soap bars are crafted in small batches using time-honored methods and the finest natural ingredients, like vitamin-rich beef tallow, healing aloe vera, and deeply hydrating shea butter. Each bar is designed not just to cleanse, but to nourish, to restore the skin barrier, to soothe, moisturize, and protect even the most sensitive skin. Whether you choose our unscented shea butter bar for sensitive skin, or the deeply nourishing tallow soap infused with essential oils, you're choosing a clean, conscious skincare ritual. Because once your skin feels the difference, there's no going back. Back to naturalness, nature's answer to truly healthy skin. Visit backtonaturalness.com and experience the difference today.